Welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning Systems, home of the Access Point heat exchangers. And Blue Baron truck mounts. Here we have an Economy 45, which has a GX 690 Honda engine, 22 horse, lot of torque, all stainless header. Look at that beautiful header there. It's got a high efficiency pump. This pump is capable of going up to 2,000 pounds pressure, a little bit above that. We've had it up to about 2,500 PSI of working pressure. Now, not every pump is the same in the way of the specifications, because a lot of times they'll put like it's 2,500 PSI when it can only do 1,000. A lot of these people guard their heating systems, but because our patented heat exchangers, heavy walled stainless, are good for 3,500 pounds pressure rating, so it enables us to be able to get the high end of the pressure for a lot less. Not a $30,000 price for this machine, but a whole lot less. This is June of 2026, and this gentleman wanted an upgrade from a Predator to a GX 690. He wanted a 45 size blower. Just a beautiful unit. What can I say? Going to get really nice hot commercial heat, good suction, 1-to-1 ratio when it comes to the inlet and the outlet, so you don't have any differential or high heat or friction heat. So you get maximum CFM, which equates to maximum lift in vacuum. So as you can see, it's all got all the conveniences of drainage for your engine oil as well as your pump oil. Got another with drainage right here for your pump oil. Got pulse dampening features to minimize pulsations and to give longevity for your machine. Everything is open concept. As you can see, the same quarter plate, our nice acoustic dampening silencer, which can take you into areas that are noise sensitive. This will do pressure washing. So what you want is pressure washing, and you want to be able to do everything all under one machine. That way you don't have to go back to your shop or hire someone else or just get another pressure washer. This will do all in one, and that's the best way to go about it these days. So you've got everything easy to get to. Easy belt change outs, same belt size, tog belts, BX30s, all just beautifully driven in the way. It's all belt driven, no couplers that are going to blow up and leave you in a situation on your job where you could lose your account. You want to have belts. All good systems that have had any kind of recognition in the industry have all been belt driven. And we are the best in heat exchangers, and as well as the stainless 316L TIG welded pipe housing, and as well as the headers. We do really well with all of this. And you got your water connection here that can be connected to a spigot or to a freshwater tank. Our outlet can be, this is where it goes to your high pressured hose. We've got bypass regulation and circulation, so you get good temperature regulation. As you can see, we have a US patent on our heat exchanger we've had for quite a number of years now. We're going 20 years into this business of manufacturing the finest truck mounts in the industry. As you can see, the last step injection, all stainless pulse pump that can really give and deliver a good feed of chemical. And you got your chemical flow meter right here. Just a really easy setup. I mean, it's just so predictable. You know where all your parts are. It's not like going into a other type of truck mount that has louvered covers and you're already stressing out just trying to take the covers off. And there's early life to those types of truck mounts because of the fact that they trap in the heat and they wear down your rotor shaft, hard on your piston rings and gaskets on your engine, because it's all overheating. It's meant to be air cooled, and if it's air cooled, you want it open to the air. What's the sense in trying to in-house it? Some of these truck mount manufacturers literally put fans into their unit with the hopes that one won't go out, because when that happens, the unit will overheat and fail. There's a lot of expensive parts on these truck mounts, particularly the engine and the blower. So you want to protect all these major components. This is an asset to your cleaning assemblies and to your cleaning truck mounts. If you want to add another machine, this would be the way to go. This can be a primary or it can be a spare, but I would like to say it's a primary because of its capability of pressure, working pressure. It goes up to 3,500 pounds pressure. Look us up on the store at truckmountstore.com. It'll show you a compact 45 series that has the same coil system, same spec for the heat exchanger, and you can see that it can take over 2,500 pounds pressure. And we can change all that too. We can increase the working pressure by just giving you a higher flow rate pump. We use the AR pumps because they're highly dependable. They can withstand heat. You know, they're almost like a 5CP cat pump with the ceramics. They don't have ceramics, but they have very resilient O-rings and plunger assemblies that can enable you to have high heat around it. You don't have to worry. We've never had any issues with these AR pumps. They're an excellent pump, highly reliable. And you can see we got our cooler for our oil. Look at that cooler. That's beautiful. These Honda engines, the GX690, it's been out for a number of years. Very dependable, a lot of torque, generates good heat transfer into the pipes. And as the exhaust comes down through this stainless flex hose, it goes into our heat exchanger and it really produces a beautiful commercial rated heat. Very stable. You can get a lot out of this unit. You'll be happy when you see it. Come down here to Lecanto and set up an appointment. We'll have one of these run for you so you can see the performance. It's outstanding. Nobody can compete with our pricing because we're straight out factory and we make our own products and everything is handcrafted and designed here at the Blue Baron factory. Again, we've got some other units that are going out soon. We had 3 that went out the last 3 weeks. And this one is going to Church Station, Texas. And this gentleman that gets it, he'll be very happy with the performance and its capability, its longevity. We've got other people. One guy just turned over 8,000 hours on his compact 45. He's up there in Wearsdale. If you ever want to call him, you can go ahead and call him. He'll tell you about his Blue Baron experience. So call us today at 727-505-2989. Look us up online 24/7 at truckmountstore.com. Thank you.